Sunday afternoon, and I'm going to try my bastardized raclette cheese because I tried 2 raclette cheeses when I was in New York City, and so it's fresh in my head what they should be tasting like. And this one, I'm pretty sure, is not going to taste at all like it. And I want to make one that actually is done correctly. So I want to see how far off I was with the one that I already made. I cleaned out the cheese fridge the other day and it is much more empty. But now which one? Ha. This was ready last month, like 3 weeks ago. So let's try this. This is the one that is pretty much just made with the raclette method, minus the B.Linens, which is essentials of raclette. So obviously this is not raclette. And I think I did other things differently too. I don't remember what all. It smells good. It looks nice. It looks beautiful, actually. It feels soft. I mean, not soft. It feels like pliable, but elastic. It's pretty hard. Oh, goodness. It's pretty hard. It's really hard. Okay. Oh, looks nice inside. Pretty smooth. Pretty tight. And tasting. It's delicious. It's a delicious semi-soft, semi-hard cheese. Like just regular Tome Alpine style cheese. Nothing fancy. Let me read my notes real quick. Okay, so this was 7 gallons of partially skimmed milk, and I used calcium chloride, I used buttermilk and yogurt as the starters because raclette cheese uses some mesophilic and some thermophilic cultures, less than half a teaspoon of rennet. I like that. I like that this has less rennet. I don't know why I like that, but I just do. Would totally make it again, but it is definitely not raclette cheese. Raclette cheese has to have that. The B.Linens on the outside has to be funky. So I need to make it again and do it right this time. Well, I think I will stick with the buttermilk and yogurt cultures. I really like that flavor. The difference would be doing the natural rind with B.Linens in it. But aside from that, perfect level of salt, perfect level of flavor. Very, very good. Excellent white cheese. Basic, but not a raclette. I just gave my husband a taste of Emmentaler from Murray's 18-month slow cheese, $28 a pound. And I gave him some of my bastardized raclette cheese that is not raclette cheese at all. It's just the cheese. Blind taste test. Guess which one he prefers?